Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you an aphrodisiac, energy booster. And this meal is from the islands and is loved by men and women alike. We call it in my island Asopao de siete Potencias. In essence, this is a stew, some call it soup, and siete Potencias means 7 power. That's what Potencia means. So the name says it all. And it's a very simple thing to make. Now 7 is because it requires 7 types of different seafood. And I'm going to show you how to make this. So go nowhere and let's do it together. And these are the ingredients. I'm going to write it down again in the description. And I'm going to also provide substitutes. First thing, you have your pot ready, hot, and add your oil. Keep the heat in high. Now add your tomato sauce. In this case, I'm adding Sofrito, but you can substitute that, and I'm going to explain that in the description. And mix it up together. You're going to smell the delicious smell, and this is going to add a lot of flavor to your asopao. Continue moving stuff around, mixing it up. Add the paprika and make sure you mix it up too. See how beautiful it looks. And the thing is going to smell delicious. The house is going to smell very, very good. Now add your broth. And I'm going to put in my description on how to make your own. But water is also okay. Make sure it's mixed pretty nicely. Add the rice, 1 cup. And the thing here is that you have to make sure that, you have to mix it a little bit from time to time. Lower your heat to medium. Cover it. And it's going to take about 2 minutes. So it was 2 minutes from the moment you inserted the rice. And now you do a happy dancing. Because the thing is going to cook for about 4 minutes. Now make sure you stir from time to time, just to ensure that the rice doesn't stick at the bottom. And after the 4 minutes of cooking, it's time to add the stars of the meal. Doesn't matter the order, but I'm going to start with the squid. And once you add the squids, go to the next one. In my case, it's going to be the lobster. Look how beautiful it looks. Add the fish, which I cut in pieces, and I'm using perch, but it doesn't matter what kind of fish you use. Just make sure that it's nutritious and that you like it. Now let's go with the scallops. It looks like generous amount because I cut them. Mussels, I have about 8. You can use up to 10. Add the clams. And this one looks very nice size. And now go with the shrimp. And increase the heat to medium high because you want this seafood to cook. You don't want to eat anything raw. That's not the purpose of this meal. And mix everything up together, including the rice. So add the flavor, start mixing. You don't want, like the shrimp in one side and the scallop in another. You want everything mixed. So all the flavor mix with the broth or water, whichever you're using, and the rice. Now you're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes, you lower the heat to medium. Do more mixing. Make sure that the rice is moved around too so it doesn't stick at the bottom. See how beautiful it looks. Cover up. Let it cook for another 4 minutes. And after the 4 minutes, it's time to lower the heat to low and let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that is for things to start stabilizing a little bit. Do a little mixing. Make sure you move the rice too. And the smell is, I'm telling you, fantastic. And that's it. Here you have it. Asopao de 7 Potencias.